Calculating frequency by Angelica. What is frequency? The frequency of a wave is the number of complete oscillations a point on that wave makes each second. What does frequency depend on? Frequency only depends on the producer, which is the source of producing a wave. What variables are used in finding frequency and wavelength? Frequency is measured in hertz. 1 hertz is 1 oscillation per second and is equal to 1 S or S-1. F is for frequency, V is for velocity, and T is for time. Frequency of a wave and wavelength. The frequency of a wave is equal to the reciprocal of the period. You can directly measure a wave's wavelength by measuring the distance between the adjacent crest and troughs. This is a scenario where it shows what would happen if a transverse wave on a coiled spring toy was measured from peak to peak, trough to trough. A train has a frequency of 55 hertz. Its sound travels through the iron tracks at 5,000 meters per second. What is the wavelength of the sound wave? In my picture, you see a train on the tracks. And now you must identify V, which is velocity, F, which is frequency, and then find what the wavelength is. Part A. You first must reread the equation. A train has a frequency of 55 hertz. Its sound travels through the iron tracks at 5,000 meters per second. What is the wavelength of the sound wave? Now you must identify each variable within the problem. 5,000 meters per second is equal to V, which is velocity. 55 hertz is equal to F, which is frequency. Now you must find the wavelength. In order to find the wavelength, you must use the formula you see below. V equals F times wavelength. V equals 5,000 meters per second divided by 55 hertz, which equals 55 hertz divided by 55 hertz. Five 5,000 meters per second divided by 55 hertz is equal to 91 meters. This is your wavelength. Now you must find if a train is 3 kilometers away, how long it will take the sound to reach you. V average equals D over T. This is the velocity average over distance over time. To find how far the train was, you must use the formula that I just read below. First, identify the variables given. From above, 5,000 meters was the velocity, which is equal to 3,000 over T, the variable you do not know. In order to find that, you must divide 5,000 by 3,000 to get 0.65. This is how long it will take you to reach the sound.